Question 1. The Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on option B, 26th November 1949. Question 2. The Constitution of India came into force on option C, 26th January 1950. Question 3. Which of the following was not a member of drafting committee? Option D, Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 4. The idea of the preamble to the Indian Constitution was inspired primarily by option B, objective resolution. Question 5. Which feature of the Indian Constitution has been borrowed from the British Constitution? Option B, parliamentary government. Question 6. The concept of fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution was inspired mainly by option A, USA. Question 7. The directive principles of state policy were inspired by the Constitution of option B, Ireland. Question 8. The concurrent list in the Indian Constitution was inspired by option A, Australia. Question 9. The procedure of amendment of the Constitution is primarily contained in option C, Article 368. Question 10. Which statement about the Indian Constitution is correct? Option C. It combines rigidity and flexibility. Question 11. Which words were added to the preamble by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment? Option B, socialist, secular and integrity. Question 12. The preamble declares India to be a option B, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic. Question 13. Which of the following is not explicitly mentioned in the preamble? Option D, adult franchise. Question 14. The Supreme Court has held that the preamble is option B, part of the Constitution. Question 15. Which case established that the preamble is part of the Constitution? Option B, Kesavananda Bharati case. Question 16. Fundamental rights are contained in which part of the Constitution? Option B, Part 3. Question 17. Article 14 guarantees option B, equality before law and equal protection of laws. Question 18. Article 15 prohibits discrimination primarily on grounds of option A, religion, race, caste, sex and place of birth. Question 19. Article 16 deals with option A, equality in public employment. Question 20. Which fundamental right is available only to citizens? Option D, Article 19. Question 21. Article 19 guarantees how many freedoms at present? Option B, 6. Question 22. The right to life and personal liberty is guaranteed under? Option C, Article 21. Question 23. Right to education was made a fundamental right through? Option C, 86th Amendment. Question 24. Article 21A provides free and compulsory education to children between? Option B, 6 to 14 years. Question 25. Which article is known as the heart and soul of the Constitution according to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Option D, Article 32. Question 26. Which writ is issued to produce a person who has been unlawfully detained? Option B, habeas corpus. Question 27. The writ of mandamus is generally issued to? Option B, command a public authority to perform a legal duty. Question 28. Which writ is used to challenge the legal authority of a person occupying a public office? Option C, quo warranto. Question 29. Which fundamental right was removed from Part 3 by the 44th Amendment? Option A, right to property. Question 30. Right to property is currently a? Option B, constitutional or legal right under Article 300A. Question 31. Directive principles of state policy are contained in? Option B, Part 4. Question 32. Directive principles are? Option B, non-justiciable. Question 33. Which article directs the state to promote welfare by securing a social order informed by justice? Option A, Article 38. Question 34. Equal pay for equal work is mentioned under? Option A, Article 39D. Question 35. Uniform Civil Code is mentioned in? Option C, Article 44. Question 36. Organization of village panchayats is provided under? Option A, Article 40. Question 37. Fundamental duties are contained in? Option C, Part 4A. Question 38. Fundamental duties were added by the? Option A, 42nd Amendment. Question 39. The number of fundamental duties at present is? Option C, 11. Question 40. The duty of parents or guardians to provide educational opportunities to children aged 16 to 14 years was added by? Option B, 86th Amendment. Question 41. The President of India is elected by. Option C. Elected members of Parliament and elected members of state legislative assemblies. Question 42. The President is elected through. Option C. Proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. Question 43. The minimum age for becoming President of India is. Option C. 35 years. Question 44. The President's oath is administered by the. Option B. Chief Justice of India. Question 45. The President can be removed from office through. Option B. Impeachment. Question 46. The Vice President of India is the ex officio. Option B. Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Question 47. The Vice President is elected by. Option B. Members of both houses of Parliament. Question 48. The President can promulgate an ordinance under. Option A. Article 123. Question 49. The Prime Minister is appointed by the. Option B. President. Question 50. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to. Option C. Lok Sabha. Question 51. The maximum size of the Union Council of Ministers is. Option C. 15% of Lok Sabha strength. Question 52. The 15% limit on the Council of Ministers was introduced by the. Option C. 91st Amendment. Question 53. The Cabinet is. Option B. A smaller body within the Council of Ministers. Question 54. The Parliament of India consists of. Option B. President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Question 55. The maximum strength of the Rajya Sabha under the Constitution is. Option C. 250. Question 56. How many members can the President nominate to the Rajya Sabha? Option B. 12. Question 57. Rajya Sabha is described as a. Option B. Permanent house. Question 58. 1/3 of Rajya Sabha members retire every. Option B. 2 years. Question 59. The normal term of Lok Sabha is. Option B. 5 years. Question 60. A money bill can be introduced only in. Option B. Lok Sabha. Question 61. Whether a bill is a money bill is finally certified by the. Option C. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Question 62. Rajya Sabha must return a money bill within option B 14 days. Question 63. A joint sitting of Parliament is presided over by the option C Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question 64. Joint sitting is not applicable to option B money bills. 65. The quorum to constitute a meeting of either House of Parliament is option B 1/10. Question 66. The Public Accounts Committee primarily examines option B CAG reports and government expenditure. Question 67. The Estimates Committee consists of members from option A Lok Sabha only. Question 68. The Committee on Public Undertakings examines option B public sector undertakings. Question 69. Which parliamentary committee is generally considered a continuous financial committee? Option A Public Accounts Committee. Question 70. The Supreme Court of India was established under the Constitution in option C 1950. Question 71. The Supreme Court is the final interpreter of the option B Constitution. Question 72. Judicial review means option B power of courts to examine constitutional validity of laws and execute actions. Question 73. The Supreme Court's writ jurisdiction for fundamental rights is provided under option A Article 32. Question 74. High courts can issue writs under option C Article 226. Question 75. Compared with Article 32, Article 226 gives high courts option B wider writ jurisdiction. Question 76. The retirement age of a Supreme Court judge is option C 65 years. Question 77. The retirement age of a High Court judge is option B 62 years. Question 78. The Supreme Court has original jurisdiction in disputes between option B Union and states or between states in specified constitutional disputes. Question 79. India is described in Article 1 as option B Union of States. Question 80. Residuary legislative powers in India belong to option B Parliament. Question 81. The 7th schedule contains option B 3 legislative lists. Question 82. Which list contains subjects on which both parliament and state legislatures can legislate. Option C, concurrent list. Question 83. In case of conflict between a union law and a state law on a concurrent list subject, generally. Option B, union law prevails. Question 84. The interstate council is provided under. Option A, Article 263. Question 85. The Finance Commission is constituted under. Option B, Article 280. Question 86. National emergency is provided under. Option A, Article 352. Question 87. National emergency can be proclaimed on grounds of. Option A, war, external aggression or armed rebellion. Question 88. President's rule in a state is imposed under. Option B, Article 356. Question 89. Financial emergency is provided under. Option C, Article 360. Question 90. Which type of emergency has never been proclaimed in India? Option C, financial emergency. Question 91. The Election Commission of India derives its constitutional authority primarily from. Option B, Article 324. Question 92. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India is provided under. Option B, Article 148. Question 93. The Attorney General of India is appointed by the. Option B, President. Question 94. The Union Public Service Commission is established under. Option B, Article 315. Question 95. The National Commission for Scheduled Castes is provided under. Option A, Article 338. Question 96. The 73rd Constitutional Amendment deals with. Option B, Panchayati Raj institutions. Question 97. The 74th Constitutional Amendment deals with. Option A, municipalities. Question 98. The 11th schedule contains subjects related to. Option B, panchayats. Question 99. The 12th schedule contains subjects related to. Option B, municipalities. Question 100. The minimum constitutional reservation for women in Panchayati Raj institutions is. Option B, 1/3.